Well, hello once again and welcome to the Waters and Stanton video channel. It's that time again. What time, Peter? Well, it's the Yaesu offer, the Yaesu cashback. It's titled the Late Winter Warmer Holiday Special 2026. Well, we all need a winter warmer, don't we? We also get hot under the collar, don't we, when we miss out on deals. So that's why we're publishing this video today, because the offer starts on the 6th of February and it goes right through to the 31st of March. So you've got a bit of time to think about it. So you don't need to get hot under the collar at the moment, because you've got a month or so of, nearly 2 months really, to decide whether you're going to take advantage of the Yaesu Winter Warmer Holiday Special 2026. Anyway, rather a long name, but let's have a look at what the products are. Oh, by the way, there's one or two other products which I'll bring to your attention as well, which seem to be quite interesting. Anyway, let's have a look at the Yaesu Winter Warmer. First up is the top of the range Yaesu FT710 MP, a 200 watt HF transceiver covering 160 meters to 6 meters. We've already shaved £300 off the price, but now Yaesu are shaving another £85 off the price. That brings it down almost to £4,000. I reckon if you speak to us nicely, we'll let you have that for £4,000. Next up is the 100 watt version of this great HF transceiver. Here we've already shaved off £200. We're going to knock off another £85 courtesy of the Yaesu cashback. And again, I think if you ask us nicely, we might squeeze down to £3,000. Give us a call. Yes, you've guessed it. The next one is the budget version, the FT710. Now we've already shaved £100 off of this. You get £70 cash back, so that takes us down to £1,229. No, we're not going to get down to what you think, but we might be able to shave a bit off. Give us a call. Here's a radio that I'm using myself at the moment, the FTX1 Field. A lovely transceiver, 6 watts out, 10 watts on the battery, HF to 70 SEMS. Lovely display. We've shaved £140 off of this. Now, with the Yaesu cashback, another £85 off. According to my calculator, that comes up to £1,374. Not a bad price, actually. There's no cashback on the FTX Optima. That, of course, incorporates the field. I've been using one for the last few months, actually. And lovely little transceiver, 100 watts out on all the HF bands, 50 watts out on 4 meters, 2 meters, and 70 SEMS. Nice package, actually. We have actually discounted it already. The FT710 AESS, another radio that I'm very familiar with. 160 meters through to 4 meters, 100 watts HF transceiver. It's a great performer. You get an external speaker with it as well, and we've already knocked £100 off it. Now we're going to knock another £70 off it with the Yaesu cashback. That's £929. That seems a pretty fair price to me. And here comes the amazing FT710 Field. It's quite a remarkable transceiver. And with the Yaesu cashback offer, we're down to £879. That's got to be a real bargain. And here comes the remarkable Yaesu FT710. A great package, really remarkable transceiver, right at the top of the Sherwood engineering rating. And with the Yaesu £70 cashback, it's £879. That really is an unbeatable price. And finally, we come to the delightful little FT891, a 100 watt HF transceiver right up to 6 meters, compact enough to sit on the dashboard of your car, yet delivering 100 watts power output. And with the Yaesu £45 cashback, we're almost down to £600. That's a great deal. No, sorry, there's nothing on the VHF UHF mobiles this time, or indeed on the handhelds. But a couple of items that we have been selling a lot of recently because they're really a great price. It's a couple of CW keys. Now, hold on a minute. If you're not a CW enthusiast, but you might think you want to do some CW, Well, take a look at these. But if you are a CW enthusiast, look at these two items. They really are great prices and they're selling quite well. Take a look at this beautiful little iambic keyer made by our friends Xiegu in China. It's beautifully engineered. You've got your connection lead, you've got your hex adjustment keys there, and it really is beautifully made. And when you look at the price, it really is a great little key. So if you're interested in CW, want to try an iambic keyer for the first time, then try this out. Most transceivers have got built-in electronic keys, so all you've got to do is plug it in and you have automatic dots and dashes. It really is a real bargain price. And sitting alongside that, from the same factory, is a lovely little straight key. Something to perhaps put in parallel with your paddle key if you want to try some straight keying. But maybe you're a beginner learning CW. Again, it's well built, nicely made, and a really super price. That's a straight key from Xiegu. Now, if you regularly look at our website, you may have noticed that we do the spider poles, the fiberglass poles made by a German company. They really are tough. They're the sort of high quality fiberglass poles. If you're looking for a fiberglass pole and you want something that's going to really last, won't break, etc., then have a look at the spider poles, because they really are superbly made. I've got two of them in my garden. One is nearly 10 years old and it's still beautifully in beautiful condition. It goes up and down and no problems at all. But they also do a kit which enables you to very easily build yourself a single element quad. Now, a quad element has the advantage that it does tend to be low noise. It gives it a little bit of gain in its directivity, and it's also fairly compact. So with this kit, you can actually erect a single quad using one of the fiberglass poles and then add in this cross-section kit, which gives you all the bits and pieces you need to make a single quad loop. I'll just put it up on the screen now, and I suggest you click on it, read the description, and you'll see how easy it is to produce a quad element right up to 20 meters. A 20-meter quad element in a smallish garden. Worth thinking about. Now, the main purpose of this video was to alert you to the fact that the cashback is now current. The new cashback runs now until the 31st of March. Do remember that you can do part exchange. We have an excellent part exchange service. We'll give you a price over the phone, subject to what you tell us. Has it got the handbook? Is there any damage to it? Is it clean? Have you got the original box and so forth? And we'll also pick the gear up from you. You can pay the full price for your new gear, and then we'll credit you 3 or 4 days later once we've got the gear in. That's the way that most people go. It means to say that you're going to get your new radio immediately, and it stops that waiting period. So there we are. We operate a great service. Don't forget to look at our website. We've got all sorts of goodies on there. I'm amazed. Every time I go on the website, I think, gosh, I didn't know we got that. Or I get a copy of all the sales that go through, and I see something. I thought, I've never heard of that before. What is it? I think, gosh, that's how I discovered the VK6 key, the paddle key. I didn't even know we had them in stock, and I saw a couple of orders go through, and I thought, what's a VK6? It's a call sign. No, it's a paddle key. There we are. Anyway, thanks for your support on this channel. You take care. Much appreciate all your support, both in the shop, on the website, and on the video channel. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. In the meantime, enjoy your ham radio. You take care. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.